Assalamu alaikum everyone and hello. I'm about to get ready with my oily hair, so I'm putting on a band, starting with the Elf Putty Primer as always because my skin's very oily, even my eyelids. So I'm putting it on my face generously so all the pores are minimized and my oil is controlled a bit. Now I'm using the True Skin Catrice concealer to conceal my eyelids so I can start working with the eyeshadows. I'm going to blend it in properly so there are no creases left. Now I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me press powder to set the concealer. Today I'm using a new thing that is dun dun dun, the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Velvet Rose palette. As always, I'm using these three brushes to apply the eyeshadows. First, I'm using this peachy orangey color for my entire lid using the fluffy blending brush. I'm done with both the sides. Now I'm using the darker, a little bit deeper darker brown for the, no, sorry, using the lighter brown shade for my crease area. Just trying to make sure it looks perfect in the other mirror. Now I'm using the darker shade for the outer corner. Now I'm using the flat brush to apply this glittery gold eyeshadow on my eyelids, starting from the inner corner to the outer side till where the dark brown shade is. No, it looks perfect. Now from the same palette, I am using this yellowy, glittery metallic color for the inner corner of my eyes to highlight them. I'll be applying the liner off camera. I've done it already. Now I'm cleaning all the sides, making a sharp edge with a wet wipe. Now I'll start with the foundation routine. I'm using the Pro Conceal color corrector to color correct my under chin and under eye area. Using my fingers as always to blend the under eye area. Now next I'm using this L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear foundation. It's a beautiful foundation. It gives you the right amount of coverage that you want. I love the coverage it gives me as well. Going to use my hands to blend the foundation, but for the color corrected area again using a beauty blender. age rewind eraser concealer for my under eyes and under chin. Now I'll blend it properly with a beauty blender so there are no creases left. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to set it again with the Maybelline Fit Me press powder. For my eyebrows, I use this pencil from H&M. I am going to link the color shade below. In the last video, I did not share this pencil with you for the one that I use for my eyebrows, so I'm sharing it with you in this video. Again, for my lash line area, I'm using the Hashmi Kajal, and for my outer corner as well. This time I'm using Essence Volume Stylist Mascara. Another very great, amazing mascara from Essence Cosmetics. So I love this mascara. As I told you before, I love Essence mascaras. Now I'm using this blush palette from Miss Rose, and the colors that I'm choosing is the orangey peachy color, this one. Yeah, this is the color I'm using for my cheeks and my nose. Now the darker brown I'm using to define my jawline a bit, to give it a bit more shape. Now I'm using this Flimore orangey shade. I'm going to link the color in the description. Sorry for holding it upside down, but I'll be linking it in the description box below. It's an amazing orangey color. I love it. It looks absolutely amazing on my skin tone. I forgot to outline my lips. I'm using this brownie peachy color to outline my lips a bit. And I'm done with the makeup. And it looks nice. Now I'm just cleaning off the foundation on my hands, opening my hair. I'm using this Boots dry shampoo to take care of the oily hair, greasy hair that I have. Just going to spray it all over my head and then on my scalp actually, and just going to rub it in my scalp so the oiliness goes away. Then I'm going to brush it. Now I'm just going to take the front section of my hair and pin it up. Trying to make a poof again, and this is better. Just going to pin it up now. As always, wearing my wristwatch, the one I like, wearing my ring, and these very cute, beautiful hoops, blue gold hoops that I have. I love wearing hoops. I think they look absolutely amazing on me. So this is my final look. If you like my look, do like the video, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.